Go on with it. Come on around nice and easy. Woo! Scary, scary.
Watch that ratchet strap too, don't get caught up.
Yeah, what he said. Can you come on around, Trey?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
There you go, buddy. Oh, easy, guys, easy. Yeah, we got a little issue there.
But it should spin out of there when it comes around.
Yeah, yeah, it will. It will.
I think I'm gonna go up and go around.
Looking good, guys. Yeah, Austin, you're in the right spot right there, buddy. Okay, a little grunting from Devin Malone. Hey, Austin, did you say this is your first ever gin pole job?
First one ever.
First one ever.
We're gonna have to watch them step bolts. They don't get hung up in the pole on the way down.
All right, putting the camera up. I'm going to work.
Bye, Felicia.
See you, girls. We use a good heavy-duty half-inch drill, put a ratchet strap up around it, and we take a click on the ratchet every now and then, making it like a drill press. We've learned lots of tricks in the past several years, learning to build these jumping squares. Having a problem getting headroom for the pick that we got to make. These rails right here go up and they'll hit the track, and then that won't allow us to go any higher. So we're using grinder, cutting wheel, sawzall, chisel, removing these. We're only removing 10 foot of it. That way we can jump our gin pole up 10 foot higher to get the proper headroom. Devin Malone sharpening a chisel that got wore out. Okay, we've made all the preparations we can. It's time to pick the antenna. Right now, the last thing we're doing to make way is, you see our top Crosby is all up into the rooster head. We're gonna have to lower it down so we have 6 inches of headroom to pick this antenna. We've got everything done as well as we can do it. Our rigging is as good as it can get. Gin pole is as high as we can get it to rig. I expect a good pick. I think everything's going to be fine.
That good?
Yeah. And now this morning we're taking out 8-inch line from, I don't know, the top guy span of the tower The fog was well below us earlier. Now it's moved up. It's all over us, and it's very calm. So it feels very calm and very warm. So it feels like a sauna right now. Right, Trey?
Yes.
How do you feel, Trey?
I'm sweating like.
Don't say it, Trey. Don't say.
Sweating bad. You said you were sweating like a what?
Don't say it, guys. Don't say it. The nice ladies in the office are going to view this video, and they want to hear nothing but pleasant speech from us. And that's what they'll get. Nothing but pleasantries. Hello, ladies.